Next to each other, leaning
Alright guys, we're on our way to Moto Social in Auckland. It's not far from here, but it looks like it's raining in the city where it is. So I thought I'd film this intro here. I got the Tuono, took the baffle out. Let's get moving. I've never been to a Moto Social before, but should be fun. So yeah, looks like we're gonna get wet. But whatever, we're gonna go anyway because we've never been and it looks pretty cool. There should be a bunch of bikes out. A couple of my friends are going with some classics that they have. It's definitely raining in the city. So yeah, hopefully we get some good footage on the way. I do have my pro camera in my bag, so we will video some, you know, get some footage of all the cool bikes and stuff like that, have a walk around, and yeah, we'll see what's out there. Little rain never hurt anybody, right? Oh, those clouds look nasty. So yeah, Moto Social is a, I believe it's like a monthly meet that happens like once a month in different cities all around the world. I could be wrong on that, but I'm pretty sure that's the case. Like I said, I've never been before. But yeah, my friend told me last year there was like 300 bikes going. I can feel the rain. It's going to start any minute. It's going to be good. Be good. The times where you wish you wore all your rain gear, which I do have, just going to be my jeans that are going to be soaked. Here we are coming into the city. Nice Ferrari. This thing started like 45 minutes ago, I think. So I don't know how long it goes for. I'm sure my mates will be there already. Oh yeah, there's heaps of people already. Ducatis. What's up? How's it, bro?
That's a real plain one.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's got the same style of exhaust that mine had originally as well.
Yours would be sick if we do it.
I don't know if I'd be welcome here. It looks like I disrespect bikes too much with the condition, the cobwebs, and...
It's a proper nugget though, you know? Being so small.
You can make it up to Ponsonby. That's about it.
The Sportster tanks.
Yeah.
Street Triple, I had one of those.
They're the Triumph.
Oh, that's right.
That's fucking sick. So angry. It's so good. So one of yours? I'll bring over it. I love it. You got that That's some pipes right there.
No!
Grand Theft Auto style.
That's America. It reminds me of Nevada.
Yeah. Oh, this Royal Enfield's sick. Look at the colours.
Are you a proud owner of Couldnt?
That's the GT Continental.
Oh yeah.
Pretty much the same, but with clip-ons.
It's the same as Ryan's, but
Same motor in that, but it has the clip-on bars. The lower bars. Since there's like the motocross style bars.
Wouldn't take much to make Ryan's look like that, eh?
That was Street Fighter V4. That was the other one I was tossing up between. Huh?
Is that what you had?
No, I was tossing up between that or my Aprilia.
Oh, they're pretty.
They're a good learner bike, though, so it's like if you're on a sport team. Yeah. Because they're like Lanza proof.
So what are they, 400?
660.
Six, you can't do over 60.
This finish right here is so good. Go that way. Go to your right. Go to your right. When I saw that, I was like, yeah. But now they feel against the V-Rock.
Supercharged 4-cylinder. See? Big supercharger on the top. Ducati Hyper motards.
That's rad for such a tiny bike. You can tell when 3 dudes rocked up in a squad, eh? 3 almost identical bikes, beautifully parked next to each other, leaning left.
Looks like
red.
some sort of high state.
Mine has the same engine, but
What kind of type is
it's
it?
got the big fat wheel. It's a Honda, bro. Kickstart. Look at the wheels. That's sick. I love these, bro.
You almost want to have one just for your run to the dairy, eh?
Yeah,
There's
that's
some of
the
the top. Oh, is it?
Yeah, they're still rapid.
They're so quick. Oh, they spin, eh? Those things.
Look how long the wheelbase is here, eh? Look how long the wheelbase is. Huge.
It's another S1000 double R.
This is the granddaddy of my bike, or should I say my bike's the granddaddy of this bike.
These are pretty gnarly, though, ain't they?